In this tutorial, I will show you how to recover permanently disabled Facebook account in just few easy steps. So let's start right in. From your home screen, open any of the browser and search for disabled Facebook account recovery. From resulted websites, click on Facebook's official website and you will be in the help center. From here, just scroll down to this pop-up. Was this helpful? And click on no. After this, click on the solution doesn't work, then click on select. Now in this text section, you have to type my Facebook account has been disabled. I believe this was a mistake. Please verify my account and help me to recover it. Then type your username and the email address associated with that account and the phone number that link add to your email account. Then type thank you. After this, click on submit. Facebook support team will contact you and help you to recover your disabled Facebook account. That's it. So that's how you can recover permanently disabled Facebook account in just few easy steps.